Welcome to BYU Independent Study. Our main offices are located in the Harmon Continuing Education Building on the BYU Provo campus. This is the heart of our organization, and it's where we take care of our students and design many of our courses.
Everything we do comes down to the student. The primary focus of independent study and the primary advantage that we have over any other program can put a course on the web is that when the student needs us, when they're feeling frustrated, when they're feeling alone, we have built an environment where we can take a little extra time and understand where they're coming from and what they need to be successful, and that we can step up and make a difference when the stakes are high for them.
We have dozens of well-trained employees that work our customer service phones from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. They're friendly and knowledgeable, and they help our students quickly by answering any questions or concerns they have. We also have a conscientious staff that handles all the mail coming into our offices. We receive over 1,000 phone calls and over 800 pieces of mail a day.
I think it's important that the students who are doing independent study courses know they have somebody they can turn to when they have questions. They know there's a phone number they can call, an address they can email to, that there are people out there willing to help them work through their problems.
Our course production facility employs a dedicated team of instructional designers who work with certified and qualified instructors and faculty who are currently teaching to write our courses.
One of the things we enjoy about our job is working with our instructors. They have a lot of experience, and the goal of our instructional designers is essentially to harness that knowledge and help instructors create effective courses. In the end, what we want is for both the student and the instructor to feel good and be successful.
Once it's written, each course receives a thorough quality review to ensure that it meets the highest instructional standards. Our editorial staff works hard to ensure both accuracy and clarity.
We hire great instructors who are excellent teachers, but they're not necessarily editors. They're so close to their subjects, sometimes they just don't see the little problems that can come up in their own writing. On the other hand, our editors are students themselves. They know what's clear and what works from a student perspective. And their job is hopefully to find and fix any problems before our students taking the courses find them.
In our production process, each instructional designer works with a host of editors, programmers, and artists to produce both a paper and an online version of each course.
I think that with the different personalities of the editors, the programmers, and the artists, with them all coming together, it really adds to the course because it really solidifies it, and you have 4 different pairs of eyes looking at the course and bringing new ideas and bringing fresh perspective, and in the end the product is really quite solid, and it's an interesting thing to read, and the students enjoy learning.
Cutting-edge technology allows BYU Independent Study to enhance an already high-quality course by adding videos, animations, web links, and other tools to engage and educate the student.
I think the most exciting aspects of our web courses include our flash animation and our objects that we have. But in addition to that, we also have virtual labs. And those are just incredible because we do have those same labs in the paper format. But the difference in the web format is that the student gets to walk right along with it and see the things happen as they are going. Our goal is to help students be educated. That makes a big difference because once someone gains an education, they can do anything with that and they can go anywhere and be successful. And that's what makes the difference, and I love being a part of that.
In addition to our production teams, we have an independent assessment department to evaluate the quality of every course's assignments and exams.
Assessment refers to testing, anything from quizzes to course assignments. What my current assignment asked me to do is to essentially go through those tools and then again go back into the course material and make recommendations for corrections or updates, improvements, whatever it might be. So together as a team we kind of function as a quality control unit to be sure that it's actually functioning as it's intended to work. The idea is just to improve it, make it better if we can.
Once the course is ready for students to enroll, it goes to BYU's state-of-the-art printing facility. Here, we've helped create a groundbreaking print-on-demand process that allows us to print out the course as the student requests it. This helps us save money, which enables us to pass the savings on to the student. Or if a student chooses to take a course online, we also house a polite and patient tech support team that's able to resolve any technological concerns a student might have while taking the online versions of our courses.
We realize that online courses can be intimidating for students. Our goal is to work with students to make the courses less intimidating. We hope that all students can enjoy the courses regardless of their technical background.
Once our courses are finished, students are able to register for them either by going online to our website at elearn.byu.edu or calling our registration number.
Morning, Marcy.
Morning, Dwight.
How you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks.
We use as our theme, anyone, anywhere, anytime. We receive letters from all over the world, people saying such things as, you saved my life, figuratively speaking, or you helped my career, or I didn't think I could ever get an education, or I'm so pleased to know there is a way that I can get an education, improve myself and help my family and so forth. So it's really quite thrilling and exciting to be able to benefit lives in so many ways.